Well, that's fun. The tire came off the bead. Welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke. If you saw my last video, my creek cleanup, in my thumbnail I said I may have broken something. And sure enough I did. It's on the Grapple, and let me show you. So I was walking around doing my pre-check and greasing my loader and my Grapple. And I noticed that on this pin, only part of the bolt was still attached. The other half had sheared off completely. So I just stuck a hitch pin in there for right now. But I went to the hardware store and I got 2 new bolts. So one for that one in the future. So as you can see, there's some wear on it, but it didn't snap where the wear was. So I'm not really sure why that failed, but cheap and easy enough to replace. So here's a new bolt for it, and we'll take it over to the barn where my tools are and we'll get it replaced. I grease the Grapple about every time I use it, so I'm not sure why that pin failed, but it's not that big of a deal. It's been 2 years plus and a lot of hard work, and sometimes things just break. Only grease that sucker up. Alright. Alright, geez man, let's see if we can get this sucker in here. Huh. Well, unfortunately, something bent a little bit. So getting this through here kind of boogered up the threads on the bolt. We'll just see what happens. Alright, it's in there. Packed full of a bunch of grease. Hopefully it lasts. Hopefully this one's okay. I didn't take it off and check. I'm just going to assume it is until it isn't. Alright, now that we got the Grapple fixed, let's rip out some of this crap. It's a mix of dogwoods and honeysuckle. And yep, it just needs to go. So here's the before. Let's pile it up right here for now. Adding to my problem of running into the camera. son of a bitch! Wah, wah, wah. And if I had $1 for every time I knocked a camera over, I would be extremely wealthy. I'll show you guys where I'm dumping all this crap. Down here towards Chestnut Flats. Here are the chestnuts. Had a pretty good year. This one's not doing so hot. Alright, here's my dump pile here. This part of the property. It's a pretty big pile. Well, that's fun. The tire came off the bead. Ooh, it looks like I got a dent in my rim. Now we'll see if we can get it back on. How annoying. Alright, let's walk up to the barn. We'll grab my portable air compressor and a ratchet strap, and we'll wrap that around the tire and see if we can get it back on the bead. Actually, I think I just saw Evan from Country View Acres do the same thing, maybe last week or 2 weeks ago. Guess it was foreshadowing. The dog has come to investigate what's going on. So anyway, I have an ARB air compressor that hooks to the battery. I've got my ratchet strap around the tire. Let's get the rest of this set up. The wrong end. Hello, dog. Plugged in there. Okay. Plug that sucker in. Turn on the compressor. Let's tighten this down. Now, let's try that. Nope. Yeah. Okay. We're good. Back up the pressure. Handy little thing. I bought it for when we lived in Colorado and we were doing a lot of camping off in the middle of Forest Service roads that weren't well kept. So we could air down our tires and then air them back up when we got on pavement. So now I'm going to go around to all the other tires and make sure they have the proper PSI rating on them. And then we'll get back to work. Big thanks to Evan at Country View Acres for reminding me of that technique. It paid off today. Alright, see all this viney crap that I found back in here? It's oriental bittersweet. It has these little berries, and it's highly invasive, as you can see. Holy crap! It's just nothing but bittersweet, honeysuckle, and some oaks. What a mess it is in here. Gosh. Absolutely horrible. I think I've got a tractor. Alright, let's strip out some of this bittersweet, man. Jeez. This is like the bowels of the property, I guess. All the nasty shit comes right here. Hopefully I don't spread this seed all over. Jeez. That stuff is gnarly, man. Well, this project turned into something a little bit more than I was expecting with all of that oriental bittersweet. But I'll show you what I've gotten done so far. So earlier we were working on this area, which looks pretty good. But now it's my staging area for my giant pile. Come around this way. So the reason I kind of stopped right here is, one, it starts going downhill, but two, the biggest reason is there's the old barbed wire fence line that runs from here all the way to the corner of our property over that way. So in one of my future videos, I'm gonna rip this crap out because I hate it. I want to get back in this area and the dog doesn't have to worry about it. I've moved into the woods over here, and that's where all that bittersweet is. So I got through all this. And this is where all that bittersweet started. Got all this cleared out. That's an autumn olive, and it is a stubborn little bastard. It's another autumn olive. Then honeysuckle. There's still a bunch of bittersweet. But you know what? It's dinner time. Well, that's it for today. We'll get back at the oriental bittersweet tomorrow, maybe. But Annie and I'll be going on vacation starting pretty soon. So I'll probably have a video up for you even when I'm gone. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, all those things. See you next time. Look who's following me home. Oh, maybe he's gonna go off on his own again. Where'd he go? Oh, he still made the turn. What a good boy. Oh yeah! Yeah, you're a good boy. Let's go in and eat dinner. Yeah.